The life cycle of an organism includes birth, growth, reproduction, and death. Similarly, the life cycle of a eukaryotic cell, called the cell cycle. During the cell cycle, a parent cell divides into two new cells, and the new cells are identical to the parent. The cell cycle is a critical process that ensures proper growth, reproduction, and maintenance of cells. It can be divided into three stages: interphase, mitosis, and cytokinesis. Interphase is the first stage of the cell cycle, and the longest of the three stages. It involves the growth of the cell, replication of its DNA, and preparation for cell division. This stage is important for the subsequent stages of the cell cycle to proceed smoothly. Mitosis is the second stage of the cell cycle, and the part during which the nucleus divides. Prokaryotes do not undergo mitosis, because they do not have a nucleus. Mitosis results in two nuclei that are identical to the original nucleus. Mitosis involves four phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. During prophase, chromatin condenses into visible chromosomes. The nuclear membrane breaks down, and the spindle apparatus, consisting of microtubules and centrosomes, forms. Then begins to move toward opposite poles of the cell. Next, the cell enters metaphase. In metaphase, chromosomes align at the equator of the cell. Each chromosome is attached to the spindle fiber from each pole of the cell. Anaphase follows metaphase. During anaphase, the spindle fibers pull apart sister chromatids from each other at the centromere. The spindle fibers are made up of microtubules and come out of centrosomes. The separated chromatids are now chromosomes in their own right, and are pulled toward the opposite poles of the cell. Telophase is the final stage of mitosis. Telophase begins when chromosomes arrive at the poles of the cell and start to decondense into chromatin. Nuclear envelopes form around each mass of chromatin. The spindle breaks down, and cytokinesis usually begins during or after telophase. Finally, cytokinesis, the third stage of the cell cycle, which results in the separation of the cytoplasm and the formation of two daughter cells. Hope this video has helped you understand the different stages and phases involved in this process. Now we have a question for you. Can you type in the comments below the three different stages of the cell cycle? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on future videos. Thanks for watching.